Welcome to the UTK Canvas course template video tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to apply the UTK Canvas course template, as well as sharing a few other best practices for getting started with your course. The UTK Canvas course template is designed to help you, the instructor, efficiently set up your courses and to promote a consistent student experience among courses in Canvas. You're not required to use the template. You can incorporate all or just some of its elements to suit your specific needs and instruction modality, whether it's online, hybrid, or face-to-face. You will receive an empty Canvas course shell 2 months before the start of a semester. To verify availability dates, visit our Course Access calendar. When you apply a template to your Canvas course, the settings and navigation in your course will be replaced with those in the template. Apply the template before you start creating or copying course content. We will now apply the Canvas course template. Select Commons in the Global Navigation menu, and in the search field, enter UTK Canvas course template. And here it is. Select the title, and now you can preview the contents. You can add the template to your Commons favorites for future use. Ready to make this template your own? Select the Import Download button. Place a check mark next to the course or courses into which you want to apply the template. Select Import into Course. Allow a few minutes for the template to appear and welcome to your new and improved course. If you've already taught the course and would like to copy all or a few materials to your new Canvas shell, make sure you do that after you apply the Canvas course template. In the Course Navigation menu, click the Settings link. Then, Import Course Content. In the Content Type drop-down menu, select Copy a Canvas course. Search for and select the course you would like to copy from. Choose whether to import all content or specific content from the course. Consider the options to adjust or delete due dates associated with the past semester's course events and assignments. Finally, select the Import button. If you chose to import specific content, you'll need to select the content. If you're copying a lot of content, you may want to take a 5-minute break before returning to your Canvas course site. Now that you've applied the template and perhaps copied content from a previous course, you're now ready to tackle the course homepage. No matter what homepage you had in the course you copied from, the template's homepage becomes your course entry point. The template's homepage provides guidance and structure for your students each time they enter your course. You can edit the homepage as needed to make it your own. For example, you can insert a personalized course banner, which OIT can gladly create for you, add links, or even embed a course introduction video. Please refer to our Canvas course homepage video to learn more. Let's now navigate to modules. Modules will help you structure course content by day, week, unit, or topic. Each module can contain pages, files, discussions, assignments, quizzes, and other learning materials. Notice that the page How to Use This Template contains detailed instructions on building out your course using the template. The first module in the UTK Canvas course template, called Module 0, is Introduction to the Course, and you are welcome to customize this content as needed. Module 1 showcases a unit structure that includes a module overview, tasks and assignments, learning resources, assessment, and review. These content items can be used for both face-to-face and online delivery modalities. With this layout, for a fully online course, all instruction should be more detailed, while your on-campus class may appreciate just a simple list of reading materials and links. And what about the content you imported from a previous course? Your modules, assignments, quizzes, pages, and discussions. To adapt your existing content to the template's visual design, refer to our detailed instructions on the How to Use This Template page. We suggest that you build the first module completely to get a feel for the instructional flow and structure. You may want to delete unwanted pages or add assignments. Then you can duplicate the module. Canvas will create copies of all items in the original module with the word copy in the title. The copied module will give you a structure for building the content and assignments. At this point, you may want to decide which items on the course menu your students will actually need. Will they need the syllabus tool? It's a definite yes. This is where you can create a link to your syllabus file. In addition, all the assignments and calendar events will be listed there in the chronological order of due dates. How about grades? Another clear yes. Once you decide which items you want to keep on the course menu, go to Settings, Navigation, and disable all unused items. Now your course menu is nice, clean, and free from distractions. It's also important to check your course for broken links. The Course Link Validator searches through course content and returns invalid or unresponsive links in both published and unpublished content. When you've completed your course development, your last step is to make your course available to your students. Be sure that you have published your course. From your home page, click on the Publish button located in the upper right-hand corner. Thanks for joining us. We talked about a lot of things, but there are more. Remember to visit the How to Use This Template page in your course. And don't hesitate to reach out to the OIT Help Desk at 865-974-9900 or online at help.utk.edu when you have questions. We are here to help you succeed.